Hello guys, and this is a unboxing video. And today we will be unboxing this Nerf gun right here. So as you can see, it's called a Nerf Jolt right here. It has 2 bullets in there. This is the gun. This is the main gun. If you want to read, there's a warning: do not aim at eyes or face. So you need some eye protection. And we're gonna open this. So here we go. We're gonna start opening this with a knife. Be very careful when you open. So we're gonna put it right here. We're gonna open this right here. I'm gonna open with my hands. Here we go. So here we go. This is the gun. As you can see, we have some instructions over here, but this thing is not complicated to use, so you don't need instructions. And as you can see right here, some instructions. We're not gonna read them. So we're gonna take this off over here. So this is the gun. Here we go. This is the gun right here. As you can see, there's the barrel. Jolt right here. This is when you... This is the trigger right here. And we have 2 bullets. We have 2 Nerf bullets right here. So we're gonna shoot this baby. So as you can see, you can read, you can put the bullet right here. You put it all the way back. Pull on that, and you shoot. Make sure to wear some eye protection when you use this, because this thing is really... If you put this, and if you aim at somebody's eyes, they might become blind. So as you can see, we're gonna shoot right now. We're gonna aim it over there at the wall. And this is a really good gun. Nerf Jolt. There's no bullet right there. Yep. So thanks guys for watching the video, and please subscribe and like this video. So thank you guys, and bye.